Hi, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a paragraph that pertains to Caribbean history. Some helpful tips to remember before starting your paragraph is when writing your paragraph, you should stick to one main idea. If you have more than one main idea in your paragraph, you'll really confuse your reader and you'll have a very long paragraph. Your paragraph should consist of 4 to 8 sentences. Any less than 4 sentences, and you will probably have a vague main idea. Any more than 8 sentences in your paragraph will be very long to read. All well-written paragraphs must have an introduction, a supporting detail, which is the body, and conclusion. The introduction. All paragraphs begin with a topic sentence. Topic sentences should always be indented at the beginning of your paragraph. Topic sentences give the reader an idea of what your paragraph is about, a preview or something interesting that your reader will want to continue reading your paragraph about. The body will consist of all sentences supporting the main idea or detail sentences. Supporting details are in between the topic sentence and the conclusion sentence. Our supporting ideas for our paragraph will be facts to support our main idea. The conclusion sentence is always the last sentence of the paragraph, which they conclude or summarize the main ideas that are expressed in your paragraph. A visual to help us write our paragraph would be the hamburger paragraph. So your topic sentence is your bun. All your supporting sentences and details are the cheese, the lettuce, and the tomatoes that go in between, and the conclusion sentence is the bottom bun. Together, you have a very delicious hamburger, but if you forget one of those things, then your hamburger will not be so yummy. So let's write an example. The introduction for Caribbean history. So my introduction sentence is, geography of the Caribbean provided many opportunities and constraints for colonizers of the 17th century. So some supporting details that I have to support that sentence are, some constraints for the colonizers was being isolated from their home countries because many traveled from Europe. Another sentence that I have right after that is, they also encountered natural disasters because of the tropical climate they were not used to. Supporting detail number 4. However, the coastal climate also became an opportunity for them because it provided fertile soil to grow cash crops. And my last supporting detail is, since the Caribbean islands were close together, they offered a trading system to be easily established with the colonizers' cash crops. So, in my body paragraphs, I have successfully given you some opportunities of constraint and some opportunities for success that the colonizers had. And then my conclusion sentence is, the colonizers who settled in the Caribbean experienced many opportunities and constraints based off of the geography of the islands. So, putting it all together to make a delicious hamburger, I indented my introduction sentence. So it reads, the geography of the Caribbean islands provided many opportunities and constraints for colonizers of the 17th century. Some constraints of the colonizers were being isolated from their home countries because many traveled from Europe. They also encountered natural disasters because of the tropical climate, which they were not used to. However, the coastal climate became an opportunity for them because it provided fertile soil to grow cash crops. Since the Caribbean islands were so close together, they offered trading systems to be easily established with the colonizers' cash crops. The colonizers who settled in the Caribbean experienced many opportunities and constraints based off the geography of the islands. And that is how you can write a successful paragraph using the paragraph writing model.